Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add audio in CapCut. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to add the video in which you want to add audio. After that, you have to click on the audio in the left bottom. Now here you guys have to click on music again at the left bottom. Now here you have to click on File Manager. Now here you have to click on the device and select any audio from your mobile phone which you want to add in the video. After selecting any audio, you can see a blue colored add button in front of it. You have to click on it. In this way you can add audio inside the video of your CapCut. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.